Welcome back again. I'm going to show you today how to remove unwanted object from your photo. So if you're using Snapseed, then you can just remove your unwanted object from your photo, just like a snapping. Okay, so here we go. First of all, we have to find out the photo we are going to edit. Okay, I have some photos over here, but I'm going to edit this photo. So as you can see, there are some unwanted objects. I want to delete them. So first of all, I'm going to go to the healing brush, and then I'm going to zoom it and just which one you want to just delete. Okay, oops. My phone's battery is dying. Okay, so here we have some unwanted object, and I don't want this to just be over there. Okay, you can just drag and just delete all the unwanted object, and look at that. This is before and this is after. So if you want to delete a little bit more, you can do that. And if you want to delete that, zoom it and try to delete that. I hope it works really good. Okay, just tap on the object you want to delete, or drag and draw. I'm just dragging and drawing. Okay, undone that. This part is not looking good. Okay, so if you want to make it a little bit more realistic, or just okay, so it's fine. This one is before and this one is after, and we are going to make this photo really good. So I'm going to select this tone image, and up and down you can find your all the tools. I'm going to go with brightness a little bit more, and the contrast a little bit more, and the saturation not much, just 5%, and ambience we can increase it, not very much, just up to 35%, and highlight you can increase it or decrease it, depends on your choice, but I'm going to increase it. And here we have the shadow, so I'm going to increase a little bit shadow to 50%, and then you can go to warmer or just morning bluish look. I'm going to warmer look to 5%. This is the white balance. Okay, so I'm going to select OK, and I'm going to go with another tool, which is detail. So up and down you can see structure and sharpening. I'm going to little bit structuring the photo a little bit, and then I'm going to sharpening the photo a little bit, just up to 10%, not much. Okay, so as you can see, this is the previous photo and this is the after photo, and we are going to make it a little bit outstanding. So we can use this tool, tonal contrast. Look at that, you can see the changes. Just tap and hold, just release, tap and hold, release, you can see the difference. So this is the highlight tones up to 25%, mid tones maybe 50%. Okay, and the lower tones 30% it was given, but I'm going to go with 50%. And then protect highlights up to 34%, I mean 40%, just pardon me. Okay, so protect shadows, I'm going to go with 40%. Okay, so here we have our photo, and look at that, this was the previous photo and this is the edited photo. So tell me which one looks better, but I'm going to edit a little bit more with the vignette, just a little bit minus, and the inner brightness is little bit up to 20%. Okay, and I'm going to go with the tonal image again, and I'm going to reduce the contrast by 20% and increase the little bit of saturation up to 5%, and ambience a little bit, maybe plus. Okay, shadow is going to be increased. Okay, so this is the result of our photo, and as you can see, this was the previous one, just with unwanted object, and this is clean. So make your own photo really stunning, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, just let me know in the comment section, or you can share this video with your friends and family members, so they can know, they can remove the unwanted object from their photos.